guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on Rema Graphics we are going to learn how to create this text effect on PixelLab. If you know you're new here, you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, leave a like on this video, comment down, and don't forget to share this video. Let's get started. First of all, you want to add your text. After adding your text, you edit it to what you want. I'm going to put great. Next thing you need to do is to change your fonts to your desired font. I'm using bouncy black. Then I'm just going to adjust the padding so everything shows. Great. Now what you want to do is to go to color, and then you go over to gradient and add a gradient. Now you leave it as this vertical, let the brighter side be up and the darker side down. We click on the first color and then we change it to white, completely white. And then the second color, we come over to this pencil icon, and then we're going to input our color code, which is B5 for light gray. That is it, and then we click OK. Next we'll head over to stroke, enable it, and then change the color to white and reduce it to 2. Next thing you want to do is go to shadow, enable it, reduce the opacity to 50, blur radius to 2, and then offset. We're going to offset X to -3, and then offset Y to 6. Perfect. Next we go over to 3D text, enable it, and then click the oblique option. We go over to depth and reduce it to 2 or 1. I'm going to use 1. And then we'll go over to oblique angle. We're going to change it to 225. And then we're going to light angle, we're going to change it to 105. Perfect. Next we're going to reduce the shadow to 20, and that is done. We're done for this first one. All you need to do now is to duplicate it, copy, and then we're going to increase this one size by 2 or 3 or 4. I'm going to use 3, and then I'll change the color to my desired color. I'm going to use this gradient I've already saved. I'm going to head over to stroke. You want to increase the stroke to 13 or 12, and then you change the stroke's color also to the color of the gradient you use for the text. That is it. Next, you just want to take this one to the back, and then you use relative position to position both of them in the middle, and then you want to just use your position to move it around till you get what you want. I'm going to reduce the size of this one a little bit because it's big. And this one is 227. Okay, I'm going to put this one as 228 up to 229. Yeah, and then I'll use my relative position it in the middle. And then for this one, I'm just going to use my hand with the position to position it. And there we have it. Our text effect is created. So simple. Now let me just teach you how to save these as a preset so that you can use it in any design without having to go through the process of creating it again. So you just click on the one you want to save, you come over to styles, and then click save, click OK, and you save. Go over to the second one, go into style, save, and click OK. Now when you import any other text, sorry about that, if you import any other text now, let's say you're working on a design project, and you come to styles, come to browse, and then come to my styles, you can just pick it right here and then changes it for you. And for the second one, you can also change it to the second one, changes it for you. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so anytime I drop a video you are going to be notified. Also, if there's anything you want me to do a PixelLab tutorial on, do well to write it in the comment section and I will do that video. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in the next video. Bye.